This is a MAN TGE refrigerated vehicle. Pallet strips for floor protection have been fitted. This helps with the day-to-day wear and tear on the insulated floor. This conversion has our tried and trusted Carrier Xarios 350 road and plug-in refrigeration unit installed. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. All our conversions are built in-house for better quality control. All our Carrier refrigeration equipment comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty for extra peace of mind. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.